Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll talk a little bit about getting people to promote your products. Let's say, for example, you're selling teddy bears and you're wanting people to start raving about your product. You want people, potentially Instagrammers, reviewers, people who do what we call unboxing videos to promote your product. Now, here's what I suggest. This is probably by far the easiest thing that you can do, and that is identify maybe 10, 20, 30, get an Excel document, identify 10, 20 or 30 people who are in your category, in your industry, talking and raving about the types of products that you sell. So for example, if you're selling water bottles, you can find people who are in the outdoors niche, people who are in the fitness niche, people who are talking about health and maybe hydration, right? There's always people out there talking about products left, right, and center. So I'm sure you have no issues finding and identifying people talking about your product, right? So first of all, identify 10, 20, 30, make a really big list. Then next to that list on the Excel document, basically put, what's their following? How many followers do they have? Do they have 7 followers that includes their mum? Or do they have 10,000 followers or 50,000 followers? So identify it, right? When your product becomes in stock, it's really just a simple matter of basically reaching out to them. And you can do this really, you can send them a message beforehand and say, I'd love for you to review our product here. I'm happy to send you a product, and ask permission before you send them a free product. Or if costs are if they're big influencers, they probably won't reply back to you. So let's say, for example, you have your product, you send it out to 10 people, right? You're going to probably get one per person basically reviewing your product. So you send out your product, do something nice, have a special thank you card in there. Hey, Mr. Johnson, or hey, Mrs. Jackson, I notice you talk about the outdoors niche. Well, I tell you what, I've just launched my product here on Amazon. Here's my URL. We sell hammocks, 100% recycled hammocks that you can self-install. They're incredible. Enclosed is a beautiful package where it has my hammock. I would love to get your feedback on it, right? So you're not even asking for a review. Even if you say something like that, you're not even asking for a review. But what you'll probably find is that people will be overwhelmed. You wrap it up in a nice Christmas paper wrapping, you make it look good, and you send it their way, and basically there's a good chance that they will review your product, all right? So you send out to 10 people, you might get one person, maybe 2 people end up doing a review, and these people might actually be big time promoters, all right? So it is it's certainly worth it, I think, reaching out, and then you start getting endorsements essentially from people out there that are big time influencers, all right? So hopefully that will help. So start collecting a list today. If you're in pet products or baby products or the homewares niche, right? Start collecting data on some people talking about your products and your type of products. Have a fantastic day. Talk soon. Bye for now.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.